Hey everybody, this is going to be a short video of something of a cool trick that I wrote. Made. It's kind of a silly trick, but it's kind of cool. So this trick allows you to do this. Let's say I want to create a C file, right? Let's say this is hello, and this is a trivial C file, which is printf. Let's say hello. Return 0, and let's say you want to use stdio. And the trick is that if you include, and let's say you want to compile this, you have to compile it with it gcc hello, and then after you compile it, then you run gcc out, and that's pretty annoying, right? So what if we could say that the file itself will execute the program. If you say hello, it will execute your C code. Alright, let's see how we can do that. There's a simple trick to that. Let's say you add this file as an interpreter with a user bin wrap, and let's run this. Oops. As you can see, this is now running. What have I done in C code? That was not good. The return statement is bad. Alright, this is now hello. If you really don't want to complicate it, let's say instead of hello, let's say you want to say how are you, and what do you want to do? This is words, right? Sentences. Sentences. Alright. So sentence is this. Char sent this, right? And you add it as an array. And let's say for and I equals 0, I less than size of cent divided by size of char, the pointer, and plus I. And I want to printf, printer console, value. And let's compile this now. This is going to be sand. Why can't I get? This is how are you? Isn't that beautiful? Alright, how have I been able to do this thing? Well, if you see, I've created this file wrap, which will do exactly this. It will call bash as an interpreter, then it will, the first argument of the interpreter will be the argument to the wrap, which is going to be the file name, and then it's going to flush out it's going to print out everything except for that line that we added on the top, and the write to a temporal C file, then compile the C file and run the C file. That's the simple thing that it does, and it allows us to do some cool shit. So what if we say we want to write something like subscribe, and then alright, this is going to be a C program, and let's say we want it to be? Nah, nothing. This is boring. Alright, subscribe. I'm not gonna put the return. And add user being wrap top, subscribe, and then leave that subscribe. And see, the computer said that you have to subscribe. And let me tell you why you want to specifically subscribe, because the series on the C preprocessing macro is coming, and I'm working on it, and I'll post it very soon. Alright, this is it for the video. If you want to stay tuned, just subscribe. Alright.